future and just overall, you talk about the global impact of these regulations and certainly resources to ensure compliance, the implementation, and looking at the number of foreign entities that be importing into the U.S. So yeah, has there been just overall a strategy of collaborating or mutual recognition with other foreign regulatory bodies and their programs to help assist in the compliance of these foreign companies?
Yeah, so that's, again, a very important part of the strategy, has to be. And we have, as many of you know, a program that is still at its early stages, I would say, but is significant from our standpoint. It's a systems recognition program, a program through which, working with countries who have first-tier food safety systems, to be able to recognize, in a formal way, recognize that their oversight gets the same comparable outcomes to our system. And on that basis, we would certainly target our inspection activities in a way that would not duplicate the inspections that they're doing. We target our entry process, taking into account what those countries are doing. We have built into the foreign supplier rule a flexibility such that if you're importing from a country whose system we've recognized and your foreign supplier is in good standing, has been inspected by that foreign government, then that would serve as to meet any requirements you might have for an on-site audit of your supplier under FSVP. So yeah, this is part of the process. We have a systems recognition agreement in place with New Zealand. We actually piloted this tool with New Zealand. We're very well along with Australia and Canada, and we're early stages with Europe to figure out how we can, whether through a full systems recognition agreement or maybe some more targeted commodity-specific agreements, how we can build mutual reliance and the confidence that we would need to have to place reliance on the work of a foreign government as part of the assurance system for U.S. consumers. That has to be part of the process. It's going to build over years, but again, otherwise, just how foolish would it be for us to be spending a lot of inspection resources in Canadian food manufacturing? So.